What's up, Madonnas? Today, I got shown something. Some of an album from my dad Jamaica when we just get married. How much years that ago? Um, I married 2013, but my half picture way beyond that. But this Christmas, my son buy me this album. You know, my time, sir. Well, me actually did say it to him wife. Say, me want that album. I can hold maybe like 500 to 1,000 pictures. I'm not sure how much this can hold. I don't see nothing. I open the bag but throw it away. So I'm not sure, but there it is. And silver is one of my favorite color when it come on to these kind of stuff. So I have this huge album. I'm gonna show you some of the pictures that were in the album. So I have this album, but it fall apart. Oh, this album can hold 1,000. It's nowhere close to that, but it's so big. Look. Oh yeah, I would love to have back one of this same album. But I'm just hoping that, I'm just hoping. Oh boy. Okay, so they are torn apart. Let's fold it this way. Hopefully you guys can see. But look on these pictures. Can I see them? Yeah. Look at these pictures with me and Obi. These are like 2006, 7, something like that. No, 2013. Look at these. Yeah. In these photos, we are coming from way back when. Oh. This was when we get married. You can see that. It's a married photo with me and my girls, my children. That's obviously long in a bar. And with that at there, Yeah, the album just broke up, man. The thing if you hold it together just broke. Maybe you can see some of these photos. These are with me. This is Samantha. This is Siobhan. Then me and my girls. And that's me when my Rasmi ear. Yeah, when my Rasmi ear, that was me. So I decided that I'm going to unlock this. I'll just throw out some of them, throw out this album and try to reset it. Yeah, these are graduation from babies them. So I decided to graduations. Graduation. There's so much pictures. I can't able to show you them all, but I'm just gonna go through quickly. I have a few that I wanted to show you. These are lately photos. Wow. Memories. How could I ever throw away my photos then? These are memories, These are memories. I should wanna owe me the hot girl. At somebody. Lord, what is this doing? Look how me spread out. Yeah, me like clothes. You see how my children, my girls, them like I see me this thing. After me come at town when me a 19-year-old, I come and tell me I'm 19. I never like clothes. And I used to grow up, I used to just like boy. And then after, never like clothes. Yeah, after I start dress, I mean, never, yeah, me never like clothes, right? Correct. Never like clothes. After a while, me never like clothes at all. My God, my first $100 US shoes. Papa, me owe me turn good. Lord, they gonna need to go back to the square. Oi, who no watch the oi? Look how me at. Me did a at girl. No sir. Never need to go back to that. When that. You ever go through your old photo them guys? I wanna just start to get excited. But them my brother kiss ya, take picture ya. Ah Jesus family, come here go answer with Max, you know. Could they? Boy. How did it look nice? Papa Jesus. I know watch ya. Watch them brother kiss there. Whoa, watch me with the crown on my head there. In time I'm a ras. Me not ras but me lock me ear. Look how me nice and slim and look good, Jesus. Boy. Let me just come America, me look like dainty body. No, me look like oversized mumpy. I can't believe it. Papa Jesus, watch that. So when me come America, you know, look how me hot. Girl hot. Hot bad. Ooh. Yes, sir. Me a long time picture. Me gonna need to show no one picture when me slim and trim and now I go a gym. Yeah, look for. Cause we really want to show me it. Hopefully we find it soon. Oh wow. Look at me. Man, look at me. Look at Dana. It's, I don't know, these people are constantly calling phone, you know. They constantly call me. Boy. I go on the picture. I take a picture of that picture here and pose this when we just come America. That is just it. No, I'm past the picture of me at all. I'm even past it, you know. Coming out on both sides. Oh man. I can't believe this. Look at the eye. Oh, the eye is still good. Yeah, I have to put them in an album and show it. This is going to take some time, you guys. I wonder if I should even touch it right now. Because it's going to take me time. But, you know, if just maybe need to find you know what? I think I might just get a folder. I'm not gonna take this out. I think I'm going to get a folder and put these in. Yeah. Because them already seal in here, so we're not going to take them out. I'm gonna keep these in here, so no, I'm not gonna take them out and retransfer them. I'm definitely not going to take them out. So all the new picture they may come, I'm going to the new album. That's what I'm gonna do. So anyways, if I don't have old picture, I have about like 600 odd picture in here, so you know, this album was very, very big. If I don't have old pictures, I'm gonna keep them because you know why? I'm gonna keep them like this, like them protected. This is when my daughter used to go St. Diego. She used to run St. Diego. And look on a picture here with them and them little bit. Oh, like, you see that? You see that? Picture them when they're tiny. So what I'm gonna do, right? Just keep them in them something here. And then I'm gonna just throw the album, the folder, and then just get a folder and just put them in. Because these things are secure, then protect them. I don't have to worry. I don't have no picture with me, my two first daughter. Because this is where me used to live. I do in the park. I didn't have picture with them, you know. But flood come and wash out the house. And damage the whole of the little baby picture them. Yeah, flood come and wash out my house. You know me living in one little piece of board house come and burn the park. And flood no stop coming and wash out the place. So I left them one day, one Christmas and go a country. For Christmas. And when they come back, everything gone. Everything damaged. Wow, look at me. Oh my god. Look at it slim. I try to find a photo. I mean when we did that done, you know. Back in the days there, I did hot like a 10 for your side. I don't know where to find them, but you know, I've done on Facebook. But that was a long time. Maybe like 2009. You see, when you don't have album on Facebook, it's like you lose your photos them after a period of time. You can't find them. Like you have to go way beyond. It's like if you're uploading picture, it's good to have an album because that you don't lose. Like you create album and put them in. A lot of photos. Yep. So that I don't need to go through them and put up them picture here because I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna pause the video because I'm gonna try to find a photo more for sure. No? Yeah, I'm trying to find a photo. I keep put all of the photo them in the spear or something and seal them off. Let them stay in there. Okay. I put this on pause and try to fit up them something here. Let's see when me find a picture. Me don't know how me did act so when me did young. I know watch out. Watch there. I know watch there. Me can't show you some of them and same thing. Look how me dash out. Me say me can. Papa Jesus, me can't show you. Can't show no one of them. Hey, look how me that them add. Come let me that to take this picture here. With for me body out a door. Oh yeah. Why me that to take that there? How me the beg take this picture here with for me body hang out a door. You see that? You see your body clean? Body jar pretty? Boy. I think we can't show no one of this here that it too revealing. But watch me lay down in a bed here. You see how me did that? Watch how me at. Me at girl, you know me the at girl. Boy. Somebody are too revealing me love. Me can't show no them here. Me? Them time them here 20, 25. At me you can't find. Me a pull up. No sir. Can't manage. Boy. Me a try to find one specific picture. Listen. I show you that one here. Them not too revealing, but look here. Look there. Look how me did that. Me have, oh, yeah, some of them are too revealing. But Jesus. I want me the one so. Put me that along so. No, sir. Can't manage. I want me that one so. Why am I so hot? Boy, a Jamaica me there along so, you know. Jamaica. Look on them in a boot. Me did not close so them I can't show. Watch me. Watch me. In a mini skirt and booty. A Jamaica. Jamaica me there in a booty. Take a long night me a clean fire side. Jesus. See the picture here where me attack. Finally find it. But me can't really. It kinda dark. The face kinda dark. You see back then picture. This are maybe this are it. I see him close, but you see how many slimmer look about? You see that? Look on me. Sometimes I'm just a start up life, you know, make a 1 bedroom, me and me pitney them living in my 1 bedroom. Them time yeah, never have no man. Just a focus on my children then. That was it. And now when me that guy work. Yeah. The one here one Friday evening after work, the emancipation party. John style. I forgot. Can't find the exact picture of the one. But I gotta take a picture of this and post it. This one in my 1 bedroom house. I take a picture of this and post it. Look how me did at. Look how me leg them long. No sir. Them time me at 22, you know. I forgot what name there, but you know, camera never did at so. Me I go take a picture of that one, them and post that one there. Let me see which one of them here clearer. Yes, my love. Me did a hot girl, you know. Me born hot. Me stay there, me born hot. Papa Jesus. Watch me when me at 22. Boy, I think I was 23 right here. 23, 24. Not there. Mercy. Let me pause the video.